Want to create incredible animated characters that will copy whatever you do and say? Well, now you can thanks to VEED Animate, the cutting-edge AI tool where the possibilities are truly endless. I'm Ash, and let me show you how it's done. To get started, we're going to need two things. A simple video of your subject talking to the camera, in this case it will just be me, and an image of the animated character that you want to bring to life. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do both of those in a super easy way. Let's begin with the video. You really don't need a high-grade camera or anything, just using your phone is absolutely fine. Just remember to clean your lens first, it makes such a huge difference. Ensure your subject is well lit and clearly in frame, and to get the best results, make sure your background is as plain as possible. It's important to note here that the animated character in your final video will emulate your movement and body position, so if you want your character to be standing up, make sure you're standing up, and if you want them sat down, make sure you film yourself sitting down. And with that, hit record, get your best take, and the video's done. Now it's time for the animated character. For this, we're going to jump into an image generator like Nano Banana or ChatGPT. I'm using Nano Banana, and in the text box here, we'll describe the kind of character that we want to create. Remember to be as detailed as possible, referencing things like animation style, clothing, facial expressions, and what you'd like in the background. I'm also going to tell it to make the image 16:9, just so it more closely fits with our video. Oh, and speaking of which, make sure to describe how you want your character positioned so that it matches your subject. You could even take a screen grab from your video and tell the AI to use it as a reference for the framing. Press generate, and voila, we have our animated character ready to go. Now for my favorite part of the process, combining the two using VEED Animate. From the homepage, head to AI Playground and make sure you have the video to video option selected. Upload both the video and your character image and press generate. It's that easy. Give VEED a minute or two to work its magic, and don't panic if it sits at 99% for a little while. Sometimes that last 1% is the hardest part. And that's all there is to it. Let's take a look at the results.
Whoa, this is crazy. Here's how you can animate yourself into any character that you want with VEED Animate.
Now it's time for you to go have fun yourself. Check out the link to VEED Animate down in the description and click here to see how you can get the most out of Sora 2. From me and my animated friend, thanks for watching.